Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to manage a book club with UPBASE, the ultimate 2025 guide. First up, you need to create your book club on UPBASE. It's as simple as clicking on the Create New Group button and giving your club a name. This is the foundation of your book club management, creating a central hub where all your club activities will take place. Now that we've done that, it's time to invite members. On the dashboard, there's an Invite Members option where you can add email addresses of your club members. This step is crucial as it brings everyone into the same virtual space, making it easy to share updates and interact. Next up, let's talk about scheduling. UPBASE has a built-in calendar feature. Click on Schedule Meeting and pick a date and time. You can add details about the book to discuss and any prep work members should do beforehand. Scheduling is essential because it keeps your club organized and ensures everyone knows what's happening and when. The reason we do this next step is to keep everyone engaged. UPBASE allows you to create discussion threads. Click Start a Discussion, pick a topic related to your current book, and invite members to share their thoughts. This helps us because it promotes active participation and keeps the conversation going between meetings. Finally, you need to manage your club's book list. This can be done by clicking Add a Book under Books tab, then inputting the details of the book. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. UPBASE creates a unique page for each book where members can rate, review, and discuss the book even after the meeting. And there you have it, the basics of managing a book club with UPBASE. Remember, the key is to utilize the platform's features to keep your club organized, engaged, and always excited about the next book. Thanks for tuning in, and happy reading.